Welcome back to 007 First Light. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the menu narration within your game. Now, inside your game, there is a feature that will announce whichever menu item is being selected by reading it out loud. If you wish to enable or disable this feature, then simply pause your game by pressing the Start button or the Escape button on your keyboard. Then go into Options, and now navigate into the Accessibility menu. Now, within this menu, you will find the Menu Narration option. By default, this is turned off, so you can click on the toggle if you wish to turn it on. Now, when you turn this on, you will find various other controls, such as the menu narration speed, volume, pitch, the repeat delay, as well as which voice you would like to use. You can select between the voices available inside your operating system. Check out the various settings within, and you may set them the way you like. Once you are done choosing your settings, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. After this, whichever menu icon you select will be announced through a voice. If you wish to turn this setting back off, you can follow the same steps. Go into your options, accessibility, and then simply turn this off. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable the menu narration feature on the 007 First Light game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.